Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your Nissan Armada. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the ignition is on. Next, locate and press the settings button on your infotainment system. From there, you'll want to navigate through the menu options until you find and select Bluetooth. This is the initial step to prepare your vehicle for pairing. Now grab your phone and go into its settings to turn on Bluetooth, making sure it's discoverable. Back on your Armada's screen, select Connect Device and then Add New. Your vehicle will now search for available devices. Once your phone appears on the screen, select it. A PIN will display on both your phone and the Armada. Confirm they match, then accept the pairing request. With your phone successfully paired, you can now enjoy Bluetooth features. To stream music or podcasts, press the media button and select Bluetooth audio as your source. For hands-free calling, use the steering wheel controls to answer or make calls, keeping your focus on the road. You can also manage up to 5 connected devices, easily deleting or switching between them as needed. If you encounter issues, first check that your phone's Bluetooth is on and its battery isn't critically low. If you're having trouble pairing, try deleting any old, unused devices from your Armada system, as it can store up to 5. Sometimes, simply restarting both your phone and the vehicle's infotainment system can resolve minor glitches. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.